We want to illustrate RT-Brick full stack as a Docker service running in a virtual machine. We also capture interaction between multiple virtual machines hosted under single hypervisor. To showcase the flexibility, we have prepared a topology consist of HCore 5916 device and a hypervisor with 2 VMs. Each VMs hosting RBFS Docker service. We use ISIS and OSPF as an underlay protocol to discover IP connectivity, BGP as overlay protocol. DPDK compatible Intel X710 NICs are used between HCore device and hypervisor. vSwitch and vNIC interfaces are used between two virtual machines. Let's see the overview of topology. R1 is a HCore device, ESX10 is a hypervisor which consists of two virtual machines, VM1 and VM2. Each VM hosts a RBFS Docker service. ISIS is running between R1 and R2. OSPF is running between R1 and R3. iBGP peer are configured between loopback 0 of R1 and loopback 0 of R2. We also have iBGP peer between loopback 1 of R1 and loopback 1 of R3. Between VMs, we have BGP peer on both host interface endpoints. We log into HCore 5916 R1 device. Let's see the status of interface. IFP0030 is connected to R2 and IFP0040 is connected to R3. Let's see the logical interface status and address configured on the same. Let's check ISIS and OSPF status such as interface and neighbor. We can see ISIS interface up and neighbor is discovered. Also we can see OSPF interface and neighbor is discovered. OSPF will learn R2's loopback, ISIS will learn R3's loopback address, which will be BGP peer endpoint address. Let's ping iBGP peer endpoints. Let's check iBGP peer status. It's established. Let us log in on R2, which is a RT-Brick full stack as a Docker service deployed in Virtual Machine 1. Now we are logged in to Docker service. Let us check interface address configured on this. We can check ISIS neighbor, which is in full state, and we can also check BGP peer status. Let's check endpoints are reachable. So it's reachable. Same thing we can check in R3, which is also a RBFS Docker service running on VM2. We log into R3 now. IGP used is OSPF in R3. We'll check the interface status. OSPF neighbor state is full. We'll ping BGP endpoint and it is reachable. With this, we have come to the end of the demo. Here we have demonstrated RBFS as Docker service, which can interact with bare metal switches such as HCore 5916 and other Docker service which are hosted in VM. Thanks for your time.